Hello, Pratyusha. Welcome to eHub at Ashwini.
Hello, ma'am. Hi. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you so much for asking.
Yes. Let's start our interaction. Right now, where you are working, Pratyusha?
Currently, I'm working from Advait algorithm, ma'am. Yeah, that's a campus placement. You know very well.
You got different placements, right? I mean, from different companies. What is the reason for choosing Advait algorithm?
Uh, Actually, the first and foremost reason why I chose this one is like um, I chose non-technical part to work, and then exactly the Advait algorithm is nearly 20 kilometers to my home. That's why I chose this one. That is the second reason to choose this one. And uh, I want to work peacefully, ma'am, not like hurry burry, like not tension like that. I don't want that initial stage of my life. That's why I chose this. Yeah.
Oh, it sounds good. So you're peaceful.
Yes, ma'am. Of course. Yeah.
Okay. What are the different job roles at Advait?
Uh, Actually, this is a recruiting company, ma'am, like USIT recruitment. Then after we got a client like Amazon. Now I'm working for Amazon, and in this Amazon company, like the roles are like associate analyst, senior associate analyst, and then team lead, and then manager, assistant manager, like this. Currently, I'm a senior associate analyst, and the starting initially when I joined in this with this Amazon company, I'm a junior associate analyst. Now I'm a senior one
So your
after one
career
year.
has improved. What is the recruitment process, Pratyusha?
Recruitment process is like we have four rounds of interviews, ma'am. Like first is written test, as we know, and then GD, which is a group of people. Company always like focus on this round only because they can extirpate so
Filter.
many people. Yeah,
Yes. You
yeah.
can
Then
filter
the
any
one to
CVs.
one. Yes, ma'am. Then one to one with HR, and then technical interview, like basic knowledge. Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
So what is the
Yeah.
minimum pay scale? What is the minimum pay scale?
For freshers, it's 1.68, ma'am. And then
Okay.
after 1 year, they'll give hike every year, like every company.
Okay. What is the is it helpful for the students' career growth? I mean, joining in Advait where you said non-technical ma'am. Is it helpful for the career development?
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. Why? Because the process of this work is everywhere in every company. We know no need to search particular companies or any limited jobs. Not like this. We have number of vacancies and number of opportunities out there regarding this job role. Associate analyst, like this is like an annotation, ma'am. We have everywhere. Um, Everywhere we have these job roles,
Okay.
number of vacancies right now also.
Okay. It can be any MNC. This job role will be available in every
Yes.
MNCs.
Yeah, yeah.
So placement,
We'll mm,
regarding placement, no need to worry.
yes, of course. I can assure on this, ma'am, because my friends, number of people I have joined in this company, and my juniors also recently passed out batch. They are also happy with this job role.
Oh, it sounds good.
Nearly, I joined 13 members. 10 members from my college and 3 members from my relatives. Yeah.
Oh, big group you are.
Yes, yes.
So it's enough to enjoy all together.
Definitely, ma'am. Actually, it's a, no stress in this work, ma'am. That's why.
Yeah. Do you have night shifts?
Actually, at present, no, ma'am. Initial days we have, but not now.
Okay.
Now 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's it.
Okay. Usually, if you have night shifts also, the transport will be provided, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. And we have Monday to Friday. We have weekends, 2 weekends, like 2 days. We have lots of time to chill also. No stress
What
plus
about
chill.
incentives? What about incentives? Do
Incentives
you have any?
in recruitment, like USIT recruitment, we have incentives as a BDE, Business Development Executive. But in this Amazon client, no incentives, ma'am. But not much stress also. We can happily work here. Yeah.
Okay.
But every year hike is there, as every
Okay.
company gives.
Okay, fine. So you might have had many dreams in your first year. So how could you fulfill your dreams? How you achieved your placement?
Yeah. Usually every student has their own dreams, ma'am. But I have I'm joined like I'm basically from technical background from CSE, like diploma from I'm from diploma, and then directly I've entered into second year in BTech. First, I have so many confusions, lot of doubts there. But once I stepped into college, after 1 week, I have a clear idea about my friends, and I need to learn here. Like I came to learn here, and then I observed a lot, ma'am. In from friends also, from friends and teachers, everywhere. Everywhere we have an option to learn. Uh, and like in this way, I have an opportunity like treat, very well. Uh,
Yes.
like in third year, I think, yeah, in third year, I think um, in May also, in May and June, these in between May and June, we have treat session. Like you taught like communication skills and soft skills, everything I learned from there. And my dreams, to fulfill my dreams, I have a bridge like confidence. First of all, we need confidence from ourselves. Then only we can step into any new project or any new thing. We can do it like with confidence only. First, we need to build up confidence. Then only we can do anything, ma'am.
Good,
Yeah.
good. It sounds really great to listen from you. So positive vibes. It shows you are grown up.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, ma'am.
Yeah. Finally, what is the suggestion you are going to give for the job seekers?
Um, Suggestions not like that, ma'am. But once you step into fourth year, you need to grab one job, like one placement in your hand to be in safe side. Then we can see more like more companies like we have confidence when we get 3 or 4 job offers in our hand. Like once you step into fourth year, you have like so much of stress in project or anything like project and subjects, everything. But um, one suggestion I can give: just calm down and do it your own self, everything, and be confident. And communication skills is must to enter any company. That is the key point, and confidence is the second point to grab the job and to get any um, to crack any interview. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's what
I
I
got a
can
question
say.
here. I got a question here. You said you are
Yes,
a
yes,
diploma student. How did you
yes.
improve your communication skills?
Yeah. Actually, I don't know. Like నేను ఏదైనా వేరే కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళుంటే అది నేను గ్రాప్ చేసుకోగలుగుతానో నాకు లేదు. ఐ డోంట్ నో మ్యామ్. బట్ వెన్ ఐ ఎంటర్డ్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్ ఇయర్, we have a sessions like communication skills. Every week we have 6 to 5 to 6 communication skill classes. And
Yes.
I, yes, you are the one who taught us in those classes, and I like I used those words in my real life also, like with my friends and in my classroom, like that. That's how I improved my English, like English vocabulary or any communication skills or presentation skills. I have learned so many in from those classes. In diploma, I used only Telugu, not much English or any. I used only Butler English only. Right now, just I can speak like this only. I can speak like this at least because of I I chose my friends to speak in English only in classes, not outside of the college.
Yes.
I'm not that much dedicated. Yeah.
Yes, inside the campus is also more than enough. If you communicate inside the campus is also more than enough. It is my
Yes, yes.
always I used to say that word. I believe in that. At least daily an hour is more than enough.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. I used to chat with my friends in English also because I can learn something. Like we always chat with our friends, right? When
Yes,
we talk in Telugu, there is nothing improvement. That's why I used to chat with my friends in English.
yes,
Mostly,
very.
uh, rather than talking in English, I'll chat better than I can
Yes,
speak.
yes. That is also
Yes,
one best method to improve your English. Telugu with English alphabets. Rather than that, please communicate in English in your chatting also, so that it is going to help you. And don't use that you fourth F4 TH. Stop that all contractions. Then obviously you can improve your communication skills. Yeah, good.
yes.
It's nice to interact with you, Pratisha. Thanks a
Thank you
lot for
so much.
giving your valuable time to eHub.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, ma'am. Pleasure is mine always.
Yeah, thank you.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to eHub at Ashwini. All your like, share, comment, and subscription means a lot to us. It is like the positive energy you give to us to make the best videos. Thank you.